Hello, children. How are you all? I'm sure you all must be doing great. Today, I'm here to tell you a story, and this story is all about two friends. So, while taking you through the story, I would like to tell you that I'll explain some information about the story characters also. So, do listen to it carefully and let's see how the story goes. So there were two friends in a jungle. So who all can be the friends in the jungle? Just think and tell me. Animals? Yes, but this story is not about animals. Then what else? Birds? Birds too. But this story is all about two trees. So what's the name of these two trees? There is one banyan tree and another is a mango tree. So, I'm sure that you all must be knowing about a mango tree and banyan tree. Yes. So, let me explain also once to you that mango tree you all must have seen while going from one place to another near the roadside or in some orchard or in the old times wherein we talk about our grandparents' time, in the backyard also people used to grow the mango tree. So you must have noticed somewhere or the another. And yes, who don't love that sweet, yummy, little sour, juicy mangoes? That's my favorite, and I'm sure it must be your favorite too. And that is a national fruit of India also. Likewise, there's a banyan tree which is known as the national tree. Like we have a national fruit mango, likewise banyan tree is a national tree and it has an aerial roots. Aerial roots, see, we know that roots must be in the soil. But along with the roots in the soil, which is holding the tree straight, this banyan tree has the roots just falling down from the branches in the air, the free roots, or we call them aerial roots. So children, this is one piece of information about these two friends, the two characters I'm telling you in the story. So, okay, let's come back to the story. They were two friends. These two friends were very good to each other. They used to share their hearts every day. And there was some or the another topic. They had some discussion. But today it was a quiet day when the banyan tree did not hear anything from mango tree. Mango tree was very quiet and sad. Banyan tree asked him, "Hey friend, what had happened? Why are you not talking?" And this mango tree was in very much of anger. He was like, "Don't ask me anything. I am so fed up with these wild animals just coming and sleeping under me." Banyan tree said, "That's okay. This is a summery day. They're coming out of their den and they're just sleeping under us. That's okay. We do stay in a jungle and we should help each other unless and until they are harming us." But mango tree was not ready to listen. He said, "No, I don't want them. They roar, they snore, they make dirt under me. I don't like that. I have to plan something to drive them away." Then what the banyan tree could do? He was all helpless and the banyan tree got quiet. What happened that next night there were two wild animals sleeping under the mango tree. Who were they? There was this animal. Who's that? Hey, hi, hello. I am a lion. And there was another. I am a tiger. You can see the strips here. So the tiger and the lion, they were also friends, and because of this summery hot night, they were sleeping under the mango tree. But mango tree was not liking it at all. So mango tree shook one of his branch near to them, and a very big voice came. And they wake up. Oh my God, what happened? Who is there? I don't know. Do you know? No, I'm also not aware. And then again, suddenly the another branch dropped down. Oh, just run away. Some demon is there. Run, run, run. And they ran away. Next night, same thing happened, and mango tree did it continuously for a couple of nights. Then these two animals just started believing there is some demon near this mango tree, and they just found a new place, and they were now not sleeping anymore under mango tree. Mango tree was so very happy. Yes, I did that. I made it. And banyan tree was seeing all this. Banyan tree did not say anything to his friend, but he thought of that this is something not good. But fine, if my friend is all happy, I shouldn't say anything to him. The days were passing by, and one day suddenly there came a truck, and in the truck there were two woodcutters. They got down and just looked around, and they found this healthy, having a big, broad, strong trunk, the mango tree. They thought of, if at all we will get this mango tree cut and take this trunk in the truck, we'll make a lot of money. And they just inquired around that is some wild animal there or not, and they did not find anyone. So they cut the tree out and just took that trunk in the truck. So that is how mango tree lost his life. And that moment, banyan tree was very sad and thinking that that's how I told my friend that we should help each other. We do need each other. If we are giving shelter sometime to the wild animals, they are there to save us. Nobody will come and can touch or cut us if at all we are good to each other. So children, this was the story, and I'm sure that you must understand that unless and until there is some genuine harm by someone, we should help each other, we should share things, we should care about others. Yes, and I gave you a little journal information also about national fruit, national tree. And yes, how can I forget about a lion and a tiger also? Tiger is the national animal. What about the lion? Do you know about the lion? Lion is a very strong animal and the king of the jungle. So, there are 4 characters in the story, and this information you should remember, and you should also learn the moral from the story that we should share, we should care, whether we are at home or school, with our siblings or the friends. Likewise, I'll come soon after, again in the next session with some great story to you. Till then, children, take care. Bye-bye, you all. Bye.